In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Markdown into Whimsical, a simple yet powerful tool for all your creative and organizational needs. Markdown is a lightweight markup language with plain text formatting syntax, often used for its simplicity and versatility in writing for the web. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take your Markdown formatted text and integrate it seamlessly into Whimsical, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's get started. First up, you'll want to create a new doc in Whimsical or open an existing one if you already have some work in progress. Whimsical docs are fantastic for brainstorming or planning thanks to their visually appealing interface and user-friendly functionalities. If you're making a new doc, simply navigate to the Whimsical dashboard, find the New Doc option, and click on it. If you have a doc ready, just go ahead and open it up. With your doc open and ready, the next thing you'll need to do is have the Markdown formatted text that you want to import. This is the text you've taken your time to carefully craft in Markdown, using its neat and structured formatting to organize your ideas. So, look through your existing files or notes and decide what content you'd like to bring over to Whimsical. Once you've located the file or text, select the Markdown content you're interested in importing. Highlight it from start to finish. Then, simply right-click on the selected text and hit Copy, or use your preferred method of copying text, whether it's through keyboard shortcuts or your device's toolbar commands. Now that your Markdown text is copied to your clipboard, it's time for the magic moment. Head back to your open Whimsical doc and position your cursor where you want the imported text to appear. Then, paste the Markdown text directly into the doc. You might be wondering, what happens when you paste it? Well, Whimsical is designed to automatically recognize the Markdown syntax and apply the proper formatting. This means that your headings will be clearly marked, your lists will appear as intended, and any code blocks you've included will be neatly formatted without you having to do anything else. And that's it. You've now successfully imported your Markdown text into Whimsical. This straightforward process allows you to keep the integrity of your original formatting while taking advantage of Whimsical's dynamic workspace to further refine and collaborate on your ideas. Remember, this can be a real-time saver, especially if you frequently work with Markdown documents and need them to seamlessly integrate into your workflow. Thanks for watching, and make sure to drop a comment below if you have any questions or need further clarification. Happy brainstorming!